Hey everyone, and welcome back. Did you know Google Maps automatically keeps a private diary of all your trips? In this video, I'll show you how to use the powerful timeline feature. First, this only works if you have your location history turned on. You can check this by going to your Google account settings now. To view your timeline, open the Google Maps app. Tap your profile picture in the top right and select your timeline. You'll see a complete history of your travels organized by day. You can view your routes on the map and see the specific places you visited. Tap on any day to see the exact route you took, how you traveled, whether by car, foot, or bike hand, how long each leg of the trip took. You can also search your timeline. Forgot the name of that amazing coffee shop from 2 weeks ago? Just search coffee in your timeline, and it will show you all the cafes you've been to. If you see a mistake, you can easily edit any visit, change the place, or even delete a day entirely to keep your history clean. This is perfect for remembering your travels, tracking business trips for expenses, or just satisfying your curiosity about where you've been, and that's it. You're now using one of Google Maps' most insightful but hidden features. If you find a cool memory in your timeline, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.